How to manage multiple Barclaycard accounts through the app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to manage multiple Barclaycard accounts through the app. You can manage multiple Barclaycard accounts through Barclaycard app. So this app allows you to conveniently access and manage all your Barclaycard credit card account in one place. Here's how you can do it. First thing, you have to download and then log in into your account. Once logged in, you should see an overview of your Barclaycard accounts within the app. If you have multiple Barclaycard accounts linked to your profile, they should be able to display here. Now, to manage a specific Barclaycard, simply select it from the list displayed in the app, and you may be able to swipe or tap to switch between different accounts if you have more than that. And with each account, you can typically perform various actions and manage account details, including viewing recent transactions, checking your current balance, making payments, setting up account alerts, managing account settings, and all that. You could also go ahead and switch between accounts and ensure that you follow the security best practices when managing multiple Barclaycard accounts through the app. So that's how you can manage multiple Barclaycard accounts through the app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.